Guys, my mind is blown right now. I just went 13 miles with an average speed of 21 miles an hour, top speed of 26 miles, because I've reverted back to my 55 tooth sprocket. These batteries absolutely are a game changer at 50, I think 54 volts, something like that. It's fully charged. Keep in mind, I just drove 13 miles and I'm still at 52 volts. I am blown away. This battery pack here cost me $120. It came here overnight from Amazon. So let's talk about it real quick. My motor, dude, there was never a time that I could not just hold my hand here on it. I just got finished riding. It's really warm, but I was flooring it the whole time. I just kept going back and forth down this long straightaway. Oh, this is so exciting. So let's talk about these batteries. Okay, so you can't really see the brand because I've taped over them to create my little battery case here. New Nerman. Crap, let me see if I can get the box real quick. Here we go. Yeah, Nerman 12.8 volt, 10 amp hours. They sell them in a 2-pack. I bought two 2-packs. And I just used some connectors that I already had, wired it up in series for 48 volts. I got some XT60 connectors and just sat it. I actually sat it right there. This is just a test and I'm blown away. It was totally worth it. So in my honest opinion, is forget spending the extra $30 and just save up and get these. This is insane. I just spent 40 minutes riding full throttle and I still have 52 volts, which I think this thing dies. It's dead at like 40, so I'm blown away. I just wanted to share this with you guys. This is amazing. So yeah, once again, there's that. Freaking awesome. So I don't know what else to tell you. If you have any questions, let me know. But it is a game changer. Someone told me the other day in the comments, change to lithium. It's a game changer. And I've been wanting to go with lithium phosphate because it's cheap, or not cheaper, but it's safer. And this is what I found. So the link will be in the Google Sheet, and the link for that is in the description. Thank you, and have fun riding.